Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2007 Chevy Impala. We are doing tie rod ends. A little damaged. And wheel hub. So this has a speed sensor code. For this assembly, the speed sensor is built into the hub assembly. So that's why the hub is getting replaced. Remove your 32mm nut right here. Take off your T27 Torx bit so that the rotor comes off. Take off your brake caliper. Now I just take off the whole assembly instead of doing just the caliper itself. You can reach around and get to the caliper bracket bolts and then swing it out of the way, hang it up. Now, once you've gotten this stuff off, put a little bit of rust penetrant back in here, put the nut on so that it's flush up against this, and you can use a hammer or a punch to knock the CV axle loose, and that way it pushes it back far enough that you're able to get in there with an extension and a socket. I believe it's a 13 or 15, the 3 bolts for the actual hub assembly itself. Obviously disconnect your connector. Now the hub assembly is likely going to be rusted like this one, so the fun part is getting it off. You can use a slide hammer to help pull it off, or a hammer and just knock it around in a circular motion, so that way it starts walking it out. Clean everything up on the inside with a wire wheel or sandpaper, anything like that, so that way the new one goes back on with no issue. Also make sure that this plate here goes back on the same way for the dust plate, because it will come off as well when this hub assembly comes off. So just make sure it goes back on the same orientation. You can take out the knuckle assembly in order to push it out far enough, but you don't necessarily have to. If you need to get it out far enough, go right ahead. But I did not on the other side, but I will likely on this side, because this is going to be a shorter CV axle boot. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.